Check out the walker by iLiving. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the questions I was seeing, which is, what's the assembly process like, and do you need any tools for that? The second question I was seeing is, how easy is this to fold up when you are going to transport this around? And the third question was, what type of terrain will this work on? So let's get on that first question. What's the assembly process like? Super easy. I had this thing assembled in like a minute. You don't need any tools. It just pops into place. And really, there's only like 6 pieces to it. So you pop this together, and then you put the 4 legs on, and you're good to go. So it really is that easy. Expect to have it assembled in about a minute. You don't need any tools. And now for the second question, how easy is it to fold up? So could not be easier. All you got to do is grab these 2 little levers here, and you can pull them up, and just like that, you get that folded, put it into your car and ready to use again. So like that, it'll lock into place, and you're good to start using this walker. So it can be folded and unfolded in a matter of seconds. They make it super, super simple, and you can leave all the wheels on there and stuff like that. So once you have that assembled, you never have to take it apart if you don't want to. And now for the final question, what type of terrain will this work on? So these are Easy Glide wheels, so they're like a harder type rubber. So it's going to be able to work any sidewalk, concrete, grass, carpet, anything like that. I mean, I wouldn't go too crazy, and if you're using a walker, you're probably not going to go on anything too crazy. But if you had to go on like gravel for a little bit, you're going to be totally fine. It's going to be able to handle that. But overall, it's a great walker. I love how easy it is to fold and unfold. You can do that in seconds. And it also comes with a storage bag, which normally I've reviewed a lot of these or done demos on a lot of these. Normally you have to buy that. So this just supplies you with one. So that's going to save you a little bit of change. But overall, super happy with this. 2 thumbs up.